Is Mobrog a legit way to make some extra cash online, or is it a waste of time? Hi, this is V from Make Money Online, and today I'll give you a full guided tour of this platform so that you can decide whether it is worth your time or not. If this is the first time you have come to my channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you never miss an update about tips and tricks on how to make money online. Before starting this video, I would like to tell you about a passive income opportunity which is completely free. I will leave a link below in description of my website for that particular post. If you have a lot of internet, a lot of unused internet, then that passive income opportunity is for you. So don't forget to check that opportunity below in link in description. Okay, so let's start the video. So let's begin this video with even who can join this platform. So as you can see that on their website, you can see that this platform is available in these many countries. It seems like it is available almost worldwide, and you can choose the language also in which you want to sign up. Okay, so let's talk about the earning opportunities which we have on this platform. So as you can see that there are a lot of surveys available on this platform, and the good thing is whenever they do have a good survey available, they will also email you. So the first thing you have to do after sign up is my profile. So it will take some time for you to fill your profile and all the other things, like there are so many things, additional demographics and other things. So those things you need to fill honestly in order to achieve, like in order to qualify for most of the surveys. Okay, and the interesting thing about this platform is whenever you are disqualified, mostly you will receive a lottery ticket which will have monthly winners, and they will receive a online voucher of worth £100. Okay, so basically this is a survey platform. As I said, if you have watched my previous video of Traiba survey panel, it is quite similar to that. As you have liked that video, so I'm giving a reference of that video, Traiba survey panel, and it is similar to this basically. And the other interesting thing about this is you can invite your friends, and for inviting or your friends also you will earn this much amount, that is USD 0.63. But for that your friend has to register, as well as he needs to complete 3 surveys before you get this amount. So you need to keep that in mind, that your friend needs to register and then he needs to complete at least 3 surveys for you to get that reward. Okay, so now let's talk about some of the payment methods. So you just need to go and redeem rewards, and if you can see that they have like PayPal, Skrill and Eco Matcher as the options available. And if you collect £4, you will be able to get paid through one of these methods. And the payout threshold depends on the country you are living in. So that's the most important thing, that payout threshold may differ from different countries. Okay, so let me show you the payment proof so that you can see that yes, this is the legit way to earn some extra cash online. So yes, as you can see that they have sent me $6.25 USD. So yes, Mobrog is a legit way to earn some extra cash online. It is a great opportunity. And if we talk about surveys, as you can see that there are a lot of surveys available, and generally when there are surveys available you do receive an email about it. But it's better, I will recommend that it's better when that you come to the platform and then from here you complete the surveys. That would be better, as you can see that there are so many surveys available. And as I'm sure that in all the countries in which this platform is available, there are enough number of opportunities for everyone. Okay, and don't forget to check out the passive income opportunity which is completely free on my website. I'll leave a link below in description, but it is not for everyone. You need to have a lot of internet unused internet so that you can get paid for the unused bandwidth. Thanks for watching this video.